Hi guys, I'm Steffi and this is my husband.
I'm Stanley.
We were driving 4,500 kilometers from Sydney to Perth, and this was our first and longest trip so far. So yeah, we are excited to share our journey with you.
So here's the plan. We set a 6-day journey and we will split the trip into a daily episode. We are avoiding driving at night to minimize the risk of hitting kangaroos or other wildlife, because they like to jump to the roads when they see lights.
This video covers day 1. This is our routes and stopovers for today. We'll recap our expenses per day at the end of the video. So yeah, let's get started. Leaving Sydney feels a bit sentimental for us. This has been home for a couple years. Our church, community, work, and the places we've been to. Also this household. So many memories. But it's time for a new adventure. So let's go! This is our toilet stop, and we don't want to waste too much time stopping and buying foods because we're planning to get to Adelaide before dark. Whoa, look at the view! Lunchtime! We stopped at Luke Park, Jerilderie. Indomie.
Steffi, masak nasi goreng sama Indomie di taman.
We'll continue our trip to Swan Hill, which is 30 minutes further compared to normal route. Why? Because Stanley wanted to see the giant fish statue. Let's check it out.
Kita di Swan Hill.
Here is it. It's right in front of Swan Hill Station.
A few moments later.
We made it to Adelaide! Hey, we just arrived in Adelaide.
It's 9 p.m.
9 p.m. now.
We start 5:30 from Sydney.
Alright. For tonight, we're staying at Tom's Court Hotel. I'll take you for a quick room tour today. We got a twin bed because it was cheaper than a queen or king size one. Gotta save where we can ride. This one costs $130 per night. And we booked 2 nights because we wanna explore Adelaide tomorrow. Here's our expenses for day 1. We didn't count the food expense because we brought it from home. That's it for day 1, guys. Tomorrow we'll explore Adelaide before continuing our journey to Perth. So see you in the next video. 3, 2, 1, go.
What's up guys? Malam ini kita mau makan nasi goreng dan ayam bakar. Nasi goreng dimasak di sini, dimakan di Adelaide. Masukin di microwave dulu guys. Apa lagi?
Udah.
Ya,
Apa?